If you're down, don't hide it. Feeling me, you don't gotta deny it. Baby, you gon' make me overnight it. Tell me how you down.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to play a little bit with makeup because this is what I like to do. So I did this half cut crease and I really like how this turned out, and I don't know why, but today I felt the need to apply glitter on my eyes. So I applied glitter on my eyes. I didn't apply it too much, and these lashes are huge for my small eyes, but I still wanted to play with them, to apply them, to see how they feel. And these are in the style Boston, and they are from Lavio lashes, and actually they were sent to me. So I think when I'm going to try all the styles that I got, I'm going to do a review on these Lavio lashes. Stay tuned if you want to see a review on these Lavio lashes. And yeah, as I said in my previous video, I won't be able to post 3 videos a week, so I'm going to try my best, and hopefully I'm going to post once a week. I don't know what day will be my upload day, but yeah, maybe if you want to follow me on Instagram, because I'm more active on my Insta stories. So I hope you guys don't forget about me, and maybe once in a while check my channel and see if there's any new videos. And if you click that little bell, you'll get notified every single time when I post a video, so please subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this glittery half cut crease dramatic eye makeup look, then please keep watching. For my transition shade, I'm going to apply caramel, and I'm going to build that color as you can see here. And then I'm going with hazelnut, and I'm going to do the exact same steps, and also I'm going to build a lot this shade. Don't forget to blend. Next I'm going to apply just a little bit of spark, and I'm going to focus this mostly on my outer V, and I really like this color combo. Next I'm going with Mocha, and this is the darkest shade that I'm going to use for this eye makeup, and you'll see that I'm going to build a lot this shade. And again, don't forget to blend. For my bottom lash line, I'm starting with Mocha, and basically I'm going to use the exact same shades I used on my lids. Hello. But I'm going to use them in reverse. So I'm going to start with Mocha, hazelnut, spark, and then I'm going to buff everything out with caramel. To create that cut crease, I'm going to use my Revolution concealer, and I'm going to take my time to create that perfect cut crease. And if you can't achieve that perfect cut crease, how many times I'm going to say cut crease in this video? Anyway, if you can't achieve that perfect cut crease, don't worry, wipe it off, start again. It's just makeup. You don't have to stress too much. Don't stress, okay? Right on top of that concealer, I'm going to apply macchiato, and right here you'll see that I'm going to perfect that cut crease with this shade. And then I'm going to buff those edges because they are not cute. So I'm going again with matcha, and I'm going to build a little bit more that shade because I kind of lost the pigment during the blendings, and I'm going to achieve that perfect transition in between those colors. Right on top, I'm applying this gold glitter, and even if this is a pressed glitter, I still got a lot of fallout. You'll see that in a second. So I wanted to apply just a hint of glitter in there, and then I'm going to apply this silver glitter because gold is not enough, and then I'm going to clean that mess. And right on top of this glitter, I'm going again with macchiato. Next, I'm going to line my lash line because I'm going to apply these dramatic lashes. So I didn't wanted that thick band to show that much. And to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to use Moony. Of course, off camera I applied my lashes and these are gigantic for my very small eyes, but I still wanted to try them. And on my lips I'm going to apply Alice from BH Cosmetics, and don't forget to highlight your face. To do that I'm going to use Macchiato again because this is the balm.com highlight for me right now, so I'm going to highlight my face with that. Also I'm going to apply that in my inner corners because I forgot, so I'm going to do that right now. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. I have glitter in my eyes. Oh. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to... No. These are where... You're fired! What the heck? So I think I'm going to do a review. Why? Yeah, if you want to see... I don't even like how I say belle, but this is my accent, okay? Boom! Perfect! So please subscribe if you haven't already.